Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on in-app purchases on your iPhone or iPad. So if you're trying to buy something within the app and it's not letting you, I've got you a solution. So now without further ado, let's get started. So the most common reason for this issue is a screen time limitation. So let's start by opening the settings app on your phone. And once you have opened that, simply scroll down and tap on screen time. And now here under the screen time, simply scroll down and tap on content and privacy restriction at the bottom. Now inside this section, you can see the option labeled as iTunes and App Store purchases. So simply tap on it. And now here you will see several options. So from there simply tap on third one, which is in-app purchases. And here if it is restricted, simply switch it to allow, and you may be prompted to enter your password or passcode to confirm the changes. And if you prefer, you can also go back and turn off content and privacy restriction entirely, and this will give you full access to in-app purchases. And once you have made this adjustment, you can go back to the App Store to download apps or head directly into the app where you can make in-app purchases without any issues. And that's it. Now you have successfully enabled in-app purchases on your iPhone or iPad. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.